Hey everyone, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered content creation with a review of Submagic. If you're a content creator working on YouTube, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, this one's for you. Submagic is an AI-driven subtitle generator that's gaining traction among video creators. Why? Because it automates some of the most tedious parts of video editing, like creating captions, generating emojis, and adding hashtags. With Submagic, you're not just saving time, but also boosting engagement. Imagine subtitles that emphasize key points, use trendy emojis, and improve SEO, all in just a few clicks. To get started, head over to the link in the description below and explore their plans to see which one fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Catch you in the next video.